Hold on.
It's gonna break.
Very nicely done.
Help me! Take the fucking mixer!
Oh shit.
I broke your garbage can. Is the camera on like 10 seconds?
Yo, I took one. I was taking more than one. God, every part of this is a bad idea.
She screams fire, and the flames keep.
Wait, where did the Saturn missiles go? Oh, the Saturn missiles are.
Get your hose!
Not you guys.
And your hose! I know.
Wait.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Wait, this is important to our photo. Cassandra, grab a bottle. It's important to our photo. I got my flask. Or my boot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open this up and chug it because nobody has drank from it. So the Lush feels she needs to chug. Hold on.
Wait, do that again, because I wasn't even drinking that this time.
You're drinking the Rape Aid?
Nope. I'm not driving.
God, the questions
Grape Aid tastes like grape. I love it. Hello, Pop. Here. Yeah,
It smells horrible right now.
Krista! Grape Aid? Tastes like grape. Tastes like grape. You want some? You want some grape Aid?
Yeah, get it. Oh,
Bad idea. That was awesome.
premature. That was premature. I'm sorry. I'm just saying. I love you. Come on.
Premature. That's the only time that's ever happened in my life. Just so you know, ladies.
Yes. Oh, I barely got the time started.
Show them how she's left.
How do you feel?
Look at that shit.
Wow.
I feel
Like I'm not going to.
Show the drunken snowman. Yeah. What's up, Rudolph?
I feel like I could chug some more right now.
Yes. That's a good feeling.
I felt like Aid. I felt like Aid.
It's Rape Aid.
I feel like AIDS.
That was so not a chug.
I feel like
AIDS.
I feel like AIDS.
Quoted.
That's a bad feeling.
She feels like AIDS.
That is a bad feeling.
She should probably get inoculated with PBR right now because we all know that
I feel like
PBR
we need to get to
totally
Allentown.
Shut up! I'm talking. PBR totally kills AIDS. We all know this, and you just were talking.
I love AIDS.
Telling her to shut up because I love her. Mwah.
AIDS.
You don't love AIDS.
I love
We kill AIDS.
Taste
Boo
this one. Let me
AIDS.
know how that tastes.